Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Saraf. I have secured All India rank 8th in UPSC Civil Service exam of 2019. I come from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation in civil engineering from IIT Kanpur in 2013. After that, I joined Indian Railways as an IRSC probationer through the engineering service exam of UPSC of 2013. I started my preparation for civil service exam in 2015. Unfortunately, I could not clear the prelims of 2015, but I secured All India rank 402 in civil service exam of 2017, All India rank 248 in civil service exam of 2018, and All India rank 8th in civil service exam of 2019. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Rashid sir for his valuable inputs during my preparation for mains as well as interview. I had the opportunity of meeting him for the first time during a mock interview for the preparation of civil service exam 2017. After that, I would like to thank him for his valuable inputs regarding my answer writing as well as answers during interview. The correspondence material from Kalan IS Academy was useful for general studies, especially for general studies 1 history part, as well as his feedback for my answers and my presentation during the interview helped me secure and improve my ranks through 2017, 18 as well as 19. I would also like to take this opportunity to send my message to the fellow aspirants who are preparing for this exam. Few of the critical aspects of this exam are that first of all, you should have a clarity in your mind that as to why you want to prepare for this exam, because this clarity will enable you to overcome the challenges, the depression, the mental stress, the isolation that comes along with this exam. Second of all, I would advise you to choose the optional very wisely because it can be, despite the recent results, it can be a make or break thing for your preparation. The point is that if you're not good, if you're not interested in your optional, it will form a vicious cycle and a negative feedback loop which will demotivate you to study even general studies. So choose it wisely. Other than that, I would advise you to do answer writing practice regularly, not just before the exams. I would advise you to develop a robust support system which will help you to talk and overcome the depression and vent out the negative feelings. For that, I would advise you to choose either your friends or family members or faculty or mentors, like Rashid sir has helped me for that as well. Other than that, I would advise you to set small targets for yourself every day. The biggest motivating factor is that when you see your name in the list, in the UPSC final result. But if it does not happen, you can set small targets for yourself every day and achieve them. You can seek the help of your faculty members or mentors or peers or whatever help you can avail. You can seek the help of that and set small targets for yourself and set a timetable for yourself and achieve it daily, weekly, monthly. And apart from that, I would like to say that do not forget the basics. Read the NCERT. Take the advice of faculty members of which NCERT you should read, which NCERT you should make notes of, and which books you should make notes of. Do not ignore these basic things. Lastly, I would like to say that there is a luck factor. There is a luck factor in life and everywhere. But the harder you work, the luckier you get. Seek the advice of faculty members, seek the advice of mentors to work smartly. And also give it the best shot that you have in terms of whatever skill set you have. Everybody has a different skill and you have to improvise on that. With that note, I would like to wish you good luck and hope to see you soon in the final list. Bye-bye.